So we want to know the best AI detector in 2026, and this is a war between ZeroGPT and Turnitin AI. We will be placing them under hectic pressure so that we can determine which one will give us the best result. We are going to run a deep AI detector accuracy test comparing ZeroGPT versus Turnitin AI using multiple types of content, 100% human written test and fully AI generated content. You can still write your text or your essays by yourself without any AI tool, and when it is being subjected under pressure in any AI detector, it will flag it as AI written content. That is why you need to have the best AI detector tool so that you can be able to go through your write-up and make sure AI is not claiming any part. Let's dive in. So we went to ChatGPT and I said to ChatGPT, write a short essay about malaria for me, and this is what ChatGPT gave us. Then I went ahead again to Google AI Studio and I said, write a short essay about malaria for me again. This is what Google AI Studio gave us. Now with these two AI generated texts on the same topic from different AIs, I wrote a short human written write-up that I'm going to use as my human generated text so that we can test these two AIs, which is ZeroGPT and Turnitin AI. With this human written text and this AI generated text, we are going to test ZeroGPT and also Turnitin AI and know which of them is the best AI detector in 2026. I pasted the text that we copied from ChatGPT into ZeroGPT and it says your text is AI/GPT generated, and it highlighted the whole text saying the whole of it was generated by AI. Then we went to Turnitin and pasted the same text to Turnitin, and Turnitin says the content is 0% likely to be human written, meaning the chances of this content to be human written is 0, meaning it is AI generated. Both of them have the same result. We moved over to copy the text from Google AI Studio and we pasted it in ZeroGPT, and it says your text is AI/GPT generated. Now I moved over the text we got from my own self, the one I wrote by myself, and it says your text is human written, 0% AI GPT. I moved to Turnitin and Turnitin says the content seems to be human written. Turnitin and GPT-0 were able to get the point that this text was written by a human, not AI or any GPT. You can see that between ZeroGPT and Turnitin there is no difference. Both of them are giving the same result. In our next video, we'll be subjecting both ZeroGPT and Turnitin AI to a more higher tax because we want to find out between them which of them is the best. For now, both of them are of the same match.